Hi guys, let's get started on today's recipe, which is green chili cheeseburgers with Santa Fe sauce. Starting with the sauce, add the following to half cup of mayo: a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix, then set aside. Set your oven to broil, then place 1 Anaheim pepper per burger onto a baking sheet. Lightly spray with cooking oil, then broil for 5 minutes on each side for a total of 10 minutes. Remove from oven and place peppers into a glass bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove plastic wrap. At this point, you will be able to easily remove the skins from each of the peppers. Cut off the stems, then carefully open the peppers to remove the seeds as desired. At this point, we are slicing our peppers into 1-inch strips. This is optional. Divide 1 pound of ground beef into 4 patties. Make sure not to overwork your beef. Salt and pepper both sides of your patties. Normally we'd barbecue the burgers, but it's raining right now, so we're going to use the griddle. Cook your burgers to desired doneness. We cooked ours for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Add pepper jack cheese to each of your patties. Set your burgers aside and toast your buns. Add a generous amount of Santa Fe sauce to your bottom bun, then add lettuce and your burger patty. Next, add your chili and Santa Fe sauce to your top bun. Now you are ready to eat this epic burger. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!